Jerome took a journey of 1 hour and 40 minutes. He arrived at his destination at 1:25 p.m. Calculate the time when he started his journey. And so the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to take 1:25 p.m. 1:25 p.m. is in the 12-hour clock, but we're going to take that and we're going to express it in the 24-hour clock. And so 1 p.m. is actually 13 o'clock in the 24-hour clock. And so that means that 1:25 p.m. is actually 13:25 in the 24-hour clock. And that's what we're going to use. And the reason why we converted from the 12-hour to the 24-hour clock is because this is going to help us when we are subtracting. And so we have, it says, he arrived at his destination at 1:25 p.m. Calculate the time when he started. And so we're going to take 13:25, which is 1:25, and we're going to subtract that with 1 hour and 40 minutes. And so let's subtract. Notice that we have here 5 minus 0. 5 minus 0 is 5. And then we have 2 minus 4. The problem here is that we have 2 minus 4. So what we actually have to do is we actually have to borrow because we can't subtract 2 minus 4. And so we have to borrow a whole hour, right? We have to borrow a whole hour from the hour side. And so we have 13. 13 minus 1 is actually 12. So when you take away 1 from 13, that's actually 12. And so that means that we are taking away a whole hour and we are bringing it over to the minute side. Now it's important to note that 1 hour is 60 minutes. So when we borrow an hour from the hour side and bring it over to the minute side, it's actually going to be 60 minutes because 1 hour is 60 minutes. And so we have 60 plus 25. And so let's write this as follows. We have 12 hours now because we took away 1 hour from the hour side. So we have 12 hours and we have 60 plus 25. 60 plus 25 is 85. And so on the minute side, we actually have 85 minutes because remember, we borrowed a whole hour, which is actually 60 minutes. So we borrowed 60 minutes. And so we put it over on this side. And so that means that here we have 85 minutes. Now we subtract. So we have 85 minus 40. So 5 minus 0 is definitely 5. 8 minus 4 is definitely 4. And 12 minus 1 is definitely 11. And so 2 minus 1 is 1, and 1 minus 0 is 1. And so that means that the time that he started his journey is 11:45 a.m. And that's the answer to this question, 11:45 a.m.